Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you some of the best Google Keeps tips and tricks for 2025 that will help you organize your notes, your ideas and your reminders like a pro. So Google Keep looks simple, but it is loaded with a bunch of different hidden features that make your workflow faster and smarter. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to come here on keep.google.com. Then you need to log in into your account. Now the tip number one would be here to use the labels and the colors for the smarter organization. Now with the help of Google Keeps, you can create the different types of labels. So here when you click on the option of edit labels, it is by default going to show you all of the labels that you have already created. So here you can either click on the label which you want to add it by clicking on the pencil icon right next to it. Then you can either add the label, you can remove the label, or you can just simply provide the label over here just like so. All of your labels are going to come over here in this section. So you can just simply click on any one of these and you can start working on it right away. In the second tip, you can just simply use the pinned notes for the priorities. Now here you are going to see a pin icon to the task that you have selected. So you can also not only pin the task over here, but you can also pin the entire board. So you can click on the pin icon and your note will be pinned over here. You can also record the voice notes on your mobile. So if you are using the Google Keep application on your device, you will be able to basically use the microphone icon to speak whatever is in your mind and it is going to create the notes for you. You can also use the checklist for your tasks. As you can see, I've added the checklist over here. So I can give the title, then I can add as many items as I want. If I've completed any of the tasks over here, I can just simply click on this icon and it will come over here just like so. You can also set the time and the location reminder. So here, if you go to the settings, you are going to see the option of reminders where you can set up the reminders for any of the tasks or any of the notes. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.